Hey guys, in the following tutorial I will show you how to get the latest Pokemon Go spoofer that you can see right now. I am using it to teleport to different distances and catch pretty much every Pokemon. I have an open map where I can set the coordinates. Let's see what else. I have IV list. I can also start auto walking. I have some raids, nests and quests. As you can see, I can teleport. It does not matter the distance. I also have scan IV, which I can deactivate and activate. I can hide the joystick, the spoofer. I have enhanced throw and fast catch trick to catch the Pokemons easier, and a bunch of other cool features. But first let me show you right now how you can get this spoofer yourself. Open up your browser and go to PokemonSpoofer.net. So PokemonSpoofer.net is the website, and once you're here guys, all you have to do is choose your platform. And here the version of the spoofer, I highly recommend you go with the latest version 2.8 and then press continue. And now it will start connecting to the Pokemon Go database. Find your username and inject this spoofer into your Pokemon Go game. Also, as you can see, some people have already spoofed their location successfully, and it's deleting all traces, so it's safe. Let's give it a few seconds. It's 100% worth it. And now let's press this button right here, and it will redirect us to this web page. Download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds, and after that you will be given the steps to the spoof based on the version you selected. Guys, from what I understand, this is required to prevent bots from spamming the website and also selling this spoofer online. So we have to keep it free by installing two of the apps below. You can choose any two apps from the list. It does not really matter which app you choose. So let me go ahead and I'll choose ZenMate. And also keep in mind, these apps are from the App Store, so they are 100% safe, so no worries, and also free. And now CyberGhost VPN. Okay, let me open the app. So as the instructions stated, we have to keep these apps opened and use them for at least 30 seconds. Okay. And after doing this, you can also delete them. Okay, and now let me go ahead and open the second one, ZenMate, and here I would actually recommend you to create an account. Make sure it's a legit email address, and here type in a password. Make sure that it matches, and after these steps are completed guys, all you have to do is return to the original browser. The injection will be complete, and at the end you will have the Pokemon spoofer on your device, just like me. As you can see right here, you will have it. The injection will be complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. Peace out.